Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County, southern Lincoln County, northwestern St. Charles County, northeastern Warren County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Warrenton and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Minor hail damage to vehicles, roofs, and windows can be expected. Minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include Wright City, Troy, Wentzville, St. Paul, Moscow Mills, Winfield, Cave, Forestell, Flint Hill, Old Monroe, Foley, Beachville, Batchtown, Meppen, Golden Eagle, Brussels, and Campville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri.